Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to kind of show you what's been going on with the interior of my Mustang. It's definitely worn down a lot from how it used to be. Lots of scratches and scrapes. It took off all the color with my seats. That's just probably because I've used it a lot, but this is kind of what it looks like on this side. Just completely scratched the crap out of my doors. This all used to be tan. I spray painted it black and red. When I did spray it 2 years ago, I cleaned it with soapy water and I did about 7 coats and I let it dry for about, 20 minutes. It dried really fast. But I think now if I were to do it again, I'd probably do alcohol and even 2 coats of just cleaning it. And then I do like 6 coats and let it dry for even a day, even if it looks dry. Because I thought it was dry and it still scraped like crazy. And even doing this part right here, I'd have to cover up these little edges right here with tape. And then when I take the tape off after spraying this piece, it would pull the red off. And that was after a day of drying. Not too happy with it. I'd actually rather wrap it instead of spray it. It was kind of a hassle and it made my car smell like spray paint for 2 months. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna just be wrapping this and doing a few videos on this car. I'll be wrapping the interior, redoing the headliner, because I do have the LED lights, like the star lights that sparkle. Might even want to take some of this plastic off and even do my own kind of design for it. I want to upholster the seats, even finish that tan part. That's what the Mustang originally looked like, and also see kind of with those buttons I forgot to paint. But yeah, my headliner's coming off. So there's just a lot to do. But yeah, that's kind of just like an overview over 2 years of what the DupliColor vinyl and fabric spray paint did. It definitely needs to be extremely clean before you put any kind of layers on it, and you have to wait at least, 5 hours before you put even another coat on. But yeah, that's just kind of my take on it. So it's up to you guys if you want to spend your time and money buying the spray paint, if it could potentially turn out to be like that. I'm not trying to diss on it, but I just rather wrap it than spray paint it. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I would love to hear what you guys are going to do with your car. Thanks, peace out.